Okay, welcome everybody. It is March 31st, and we have some beautiful dots that popped up in the live room yesterday, in the live day trading room, actually called the high on the euro with this red dot, called the low on the euro with this blue dot, and called the low on the euro on this dot. If you want to come in and review my previous videos, I have an algorithm that I had built that actually works on all markets. It works on the euro, oil, S&P, Dow. It even works on pork belly. So it doesn't matter what markets you trade. My algorithm that I have built is a proprietary algorithm. There's not a single one like that in the entire world that uses a program exactly like mine, because I have different confluence levels that I use to pick these highs and lows in the market. It's a very simple program to trade, because you just look for the red dot to pop for a sell and a blue dot to pop for a buy. You can use your own additional filters to pop in the trade once these dots pop up. Now, I have this in my live room already, okay? These are in my live day trading room. My live day trading room at go to www.daytradingthefutures.com, and you can come in. Now, we're having a 1 week, and this is a one-time thing only, because usually we just have a 3-day free trial. These dots are so vitally important to some of the traders' success in the room, is that I'm having a 1 week free trial. This is 1 week where you can come in and you can see my system. I actually have a PDF when you come in, when you sign up for the 1 week free trial, a PDF to get out to you to understand my methodology, and also a short video so you can understand my methodology. Not only do I utilize these dots in the room, I utilize market profile, institutional levels, and I also utilize these rolling pivots in the room that are just really dynamic to the success of my members in the room. So if we go through some of these trades, this is a 2-minute chart right here. I just showed you a second ago on the euro, called the high, called the low, called the low. Here's a 10-minute chart. We called the exact high in the euro. My system called the exact session high to the tick on the euro. Exact session high. Tell me one trading room, you tell me one indicator that does that. Okay, here's oil. Yesterday in my live room, live members in the room. This is my live trade in the room. My dot pops up at the swing high on oil. The swing high. Look at the tank. The exact swing high. And look at the big move down to the downside. This is yesterday. Okay? So this is a very, very complex system. This algorithm, what it does is the public, we all know, is 90% wrong. You know, it's the fact is that 90% lose in the futures market. Only 10% make it in this, and it's typically institutions, hedge funds, or high-end frequency traders. Well, the reason this dot works so well, it's against the public. Basically, when the public is buying, when they think it's so bullish, my dot comes in to sell the market. That's why it works so well. When it's bearish, my dot will come in when it's bearish at the lows, and it will come in, it'll find confluence levels, and it'll plot a dot right at the lows. So that's one reason that this works. It's against everything that you are taught. Everything you've ever read at Barnes & Noble, every single book you read, every technical analysis, everything that you've ever read is totally against it, and that's why it works. Because this is trading where the institutional volume is trading. Okay? I can pinpoint exactly where the institutional volume is coming in and buying and selling, and that's exactly what I do. Now, I also have it on a smaller tick chart, smaller time frame. Look at my 2-minute. Look at those highs and lows also. Okay, if you want more trades. Oops, there we go. So my point is that you come into the live room. We're having a 1 week free trial here. Let me give you the address. Here we go. Hold on one sec. Find it here. There we go. Go to daytradingthefutures.com. Daytradingthefutures.com. There it is. Daytradingthefutures.com. Instead of a 3-day free trial, if you contact us, okay, on March the 9th, I believe it's March the 9th. Not March, April 9th. Let me see. Let me make sure on my calendar. April, make sure. Yes, April 9th through April the 13th. April 9th through the April the 13th. April 9th through the 13th, you can come in for 1 week and see how powerful this system is and see exactly how my members make money in the market, okay? So Sean, one of our members, he just started, sold this dot high, made $2,000 live money on Friday. Just a recent member. He hasn't even been with us less than 30 days. $2,000 on this on the sell dot. So the bottom line is that just come in. You can come in for a week. April 9th is when you can come in for an entire week. It's Gerald at daytradingthefutures.com. Okay, you'll see his email in there anyway. just make sure you have to send him an email. Okay, Gerald at daytradingthefutures.com. Just contact him, but you'll see it under daytradingthefutures.com anyway. Okay, so go there. You'll see his contact. Yeah, he'll get you a password. He'll get the PDF out to you, and then we'll see you March 9th. Take care.